A little follow-up to last week's video. We went to try to run the thing. It started up and ran okay, but every time we worked the mechanism, this lever would fall out. And there's a little lever here that runs from this arm up to the throttle arm up here, and actually that's what picks the idle up when you enrich in the mixture. So it does two things at once. You work this, pulls these down, enriches the mixture. This rod goes up here, moves a little lever in here, and picks the throttle up. So every time we did that, this rod right here would pull out. And what, after looking at it, taking it all apart again and having a look at it, the very end of this rod where a clip would go through was broken off right at the hole. So, okay, what are we going to do about that? So, we got the rod off and got rooting around and found a piece of material. Actually, it was a nail, the same size, welded it onto the end of the broken piece, and just made it long enough, rather than try to drill a little tiny hole through a little tiny rod. We just left the rod long enough so that it can't come out. So that was that fixed. The second problem was at the back, and our spiffy diffy aluminum plate decided to leak. So we had to take that apart and put some more silicone on it and put it back together. So we'll see if we fixed that. And then we ran out of gas, so it was time to go take a nap. So we'll see if we can get the thing to run again and see what we got. Well, that's not too good, is it? We'll give it one last go here. Now that it's had a chance to sit for a bit, get a little temperature. I think it was just cold before. And our leak seems to have stopped, so maybe today's a better day.